What's up, Sugar fam? It's monsoons and I hope they are treating you right, because they are absolutely fine for me. But these slides are not doing well in these monsoon weather. And I think this is the right time to give them some sugar treatment. Let's go. These are Air Jordan Hydro 7 V2 and these slides have been with me for about 11 years. This pair is old and pretty beat up. इसका strap, इसका footbed, इसका sole, सबको एक अच्छी cleaning की ज़रूरत है. The straps are synthetic leather and the sole and footbed are mostly rubber, foam and polyester. So we will be working on the right slide and we'll keep the left slide for comparison later. We will be using our standard kit to clean all this mess. Our standard kit comes with a 100 ml solution bottle, an all-purpose brush and a microfiber towel. This slide doesn't have any delicate material, so our all-purpose brush would be sufficient. Let's get it on and start the cleaning. First, let's get our solution ready. Only 3 pumps of sugar clean into 200 ml of water and we are all set. Before we get down to the business, we will clean the slide with our all-purpose brush without getting inside the solution because we need to do some dry cleaning.
We the top 10, UGK the major, when I play it, don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit. Bands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear.
Just to let you know, I'm using our sugar mat and our collapsible bowl over here. You can also get this from our website. Our all-purpose brush is ready. Now let's get down to the business and clean this baby up. We will start with the strap first.
Is you bugging? That's a dub. Shoulder shrug to the stub. Tell them hit the squatty up. See a line of cars meet up. Nah, don't bother us. Windows fogging up.
And now we will use the microfiber towel to clean all the foam. Now let's use this side as well. The strap is ready. Now it's time to clean the inside of the strap. As you can see, there is a lot of mess.
Yeah, I heard you knocking, but I am not here. Watch out for the company you keep, cause people mad weird. I will pull up on you and address it, I am not scared. We just looking down on these from the top stairs. He been dropping back the.
Let's move to the other side. Repeat the same process.
UGK the major, when I play it, don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock hit.
Pretty clean. It's a little wet, but you can see it's coming to the shape. Now it's time that we move to the footbed. You can see there is a lot of mal over there. तो हम इस mal को हमारे all-purpose brush और solution से खत्म करेंगे. Let's go.
I was born for it, I was made for it. Working before I was paid for it. Ain't no finish line, I'm trying to race to it. I'ma run this shit after the tape torn. Can't be easing up, I keep the speed. I need that paper busting out the ring. I don't just love it, nigga, I'm a fiend. That's why I'm never running out of steam. And yeah, I'm a pastor, but I'm a heathen. I gotta.
You can see there are these few spots, and these spots are those spots where the brush doesn't go through easily. So we will be using our microfiber towel. Let's dip it. It's always nice to have a microfiber towel handy while cleaning. The footbed and the strap, they are perfectly back to life, and now it's time to work the operation on the outsole.
Every day a new prime, edges serrated, I sharpen the mind. Play with this blade in your life on the line. Top of the morning, you know I'ma shine, I'm feeling revived, refinery, you know I've been through the fire, flawless the victory.
Look at this, guys. The slide is back to life. You can see the footbed, the strap, the mids, and the outsoles. They are in the best shape possible. Just to show you what position they were before, I will show you the left slide. Ta-da! And look at this. They were in pretty bad shape. This is how our 11-year-old slide looks. And this is what our standard kid can do. Aren't you impressed?
Something real, something raw, not accidental, no, I'm sure. You're not needed, show you the door, but what's that, yeah, are you sure? Yeah, that's a rental, yeah, we're sure.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any problems related to shoe cleaning or shoe care, you can always leave a comment or DM us on Instagram. Till then, don't forget to love your shoes. Let's go!